In today's Vikram Online Biz video, we are sharing with you the phenomenon of upgrading to Workstation 12.5 Pro from VMware. See, this particular version essentially continues VMware's tradition of delivering innovative features that technical professionals like you have relied upon every single day. And this particular upgrade, what does it give you? It gives you support for the latest Windows versions, more powerful virtual machines, and a number of UI improvements. So, our message today is that do make the most of this upgrade. And in that regard, what we've done is see, we are linking up directly to the VMware store, and that is where we recommend that you go for your upgrade. And to help you, what we've done is we provided the direct link in the description below this video. Clicking on that will straight away take you to this page where you can go through with the upgrade with complete ease. And see, in any case, when it comes to the prices for this particular upgrade, they are the best that you'll find in comparison to anywhere else. And the license type and the prices for that respectively depend on the upgrade that you're doing. Like for instance, when you upgrade from Workstation 7.x or greater, you're paying just 149.99. And likewise, if you're upgrading from the Workstation 12 player, the price is in fact significantly less at 99.99. Either way, you can make your choice over here, whether you're upgrading from Workstation 7.x or greater or Workstation 12 player. So that's the choice that you'll be making. Beyond that, everything is pretty simplistic. You've got complimentary support included as well, along with options for basic or production support. And in terms of the support term, it's either 30 days, 1 year, or 3 years. Typically, you'll be sticking to the 30-day and the complimentary one till you do not upgrade. So that's again a recommendation from our side that you do go in for the upgrade, because without the upgrade, you can see it right in front of you, that whether it's this basic version or the production version, or in terms of the support term, whether you want a 1 year or a 3 year support, either way, you'll have to first upgrade and then you'll be eligible for that. So, our recommendation is that you do go in for these upgrades. It's only a choice that you make in terms of the version that you're upgrading from. So, between these two, you make your upgrade accordingly. And one key aspect that we want to mention to you, we'll just tell you about that. See, these are the key features: run multiple operating systems, it's ready for the latest releases of Windows 10, it runs VMware Workstation Pro as a server to share virtual machines with others. You can move and access your virtual machines easily across VMware infrastructure. You can choose from literally hundreds of support guest and host OSs. You can create restricted and expiring VMs, and you have support for virtual tablet sensors, including accelerometer, gyroscope, and compass. Now, coming to what we were very clearly wanting to mention, and let's do that right up front, that Workstation 12 Pro requires a 64-bit processor and 64-bit host operating system. This is something very critical which you should keep in mind. In fact, let's go back and share that to you right over here. They mention it right up front as well, because some people might miss this. This is key, that if you're looking to go for the Workstation Pro upgrade, then you'll need a 64-bit processor and 64-bit host operating system. So don't miss out on this aspect. So be very sure. Beyond that, see, it's fairly all right. You would very likely be having all of this. Like, you need what is recommended is a 64-bit x86 Intel Core Solo processor or equivalent, and if you're looking at AMD, then it'll be this one, at least 1.3 gigahertz speed or faster, a minimum of 2 GB RAM, whereas 4 GB RAM is recommended. And then you need 1.2 GB of available disk space. See, all of this you're very likely to have. And for a Windows Aero graphics support in a virtual machine, you need at least 3 GB of RAM on the host PC, Intel Dual Core 2.2 gigahertz and above, or if it's AMD, then it has to be this one. Then you also need NVIDIA GeForces 8800 GT and above, or ATI Radeon HD 2600 and above. The key point remains that you need a 64-bit processor and a 64-bit host OS. In terms of OS requirements, See, this is a major reason for which this upgrade is recommended, because it works across all of these different versions, right up to the latest Windows 10. So that's again something great. Overall, we recommend this upgrade, and you can go ahead and make the upgrade on the link that has been provided. You simply choose from the version that you have. So thanks so much for watching, and of course, don't forget to subscribe to Vikram Online Biz.